So, I decided to try something simple. Investing just $10 in crypto. Nothing crazy, no hype, just to see what would actually happen if I stayed consistent. Most people think you need thousands of dollars to start investing, but the truth is, you don't. I wanted to prove that even a small amount, if used smartly, can teach you everything about the game. I started with Bitcoin and Ethereum, the two most reliable names in the crypto world. I wasn't chasing meme coins or the next overnight millionaire story. I just wanted to see how small, consistent investing really plays out. At first, it didn't feel like much. $10 here, $10 there. But over time, something interesting happened. I started to care more about the markets. I began learning what makes crypto move, how emotions control decisions, and how patience actually pays off. After a few weeks, I realized this wasn't about making money fast. It was about building a habit, the habit of investing. Because once you start small, you realize how powerful compounding really is. If you're new to crypto, starting with $10 can be your best decision. Why? Because it removes fear. It gets you in the game. You learn without risking much. Some days, my portfolio went up. Some days, it dropped. But instead of panic, I felt excitement. Because I was finally part of something bigger. So here's what I learned. It's not about how much you invest. It's about when and how long you stay invested. Crypto rewards consistency, not luck. If you can stick with a simple plan, like investing $10 each week, you'll be shocked by how quickly your knowledge and your balance grow. So yeah, I tried investing $10 in crypto. And what happened was more powerful than I expected. I didn't just grow my portfolio. I grew my mindset.